Samangat! Master School! Selamat!
हिमाचल प्रदेश के माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय श्री प्रताप शुक्ला जी।
We became a NAC A+ university this year. So thanks to the IQAC team, and all of you work hard for that. In the global QS and THE rankings, which are very, very important to every university in the world, Shoolini is India's #1 ranked private university. We are top 500 in the world, but across all institutions and universities in India, including the IITs, we are top 20 overall, public and private together. A huge achievement for a university which is 15 years young.
As a Shoolini University rubbing shoulders with the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, in the Times Higher Education World University Rankings, Shoolini University is the second best in the country. But in subject rankings, we are ahead in some subjects from the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, which was established by Professors Raman long back in 1919. And people could think that, how could Shoolini University do it? But today the result is before you.
We're seeing at this moment new ways of applying influence and using power. So we need to be optimistic in this moment of uncertainty and change, because we are educated. And education's gift is the ability to be able to lend us frameworks, structures in which we can think, ways of providing architecture to our thoughts and talking about ideas in sophisticated ways.
As you build your careers and lives, remember the reason you live. This life is for these small joys and smiles that keep you alive. And as you graduate today, I hope you leave with pride that Shoolini has achieved the recognition of being India's #1 private university for 3rd year in a row.
Now I request Chancellor, President Foundation, Pro-Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, Shri Satish Anand ji and Shri Ashok Anand ji, trustees, to present mementos to the Chief Guest. I request our Chief Guest, Honorable Governor, Shri Shiv Pratap Shukla ji, to accept a small token of gratitude.
प्रोफेसर खोसला के इस नाते इज्जत करने की बात करता हूं कि अगर एक अध्यापक आगे बढ़ करके इतने बड़े विश्वविद्यालय की स्थापना कर सकता है, अपने परिश्रम के द्वारा वह उसको इंडियाज फर्स्ट ला सकता है, तो मुझे याद करना चाहिए कि कभी कभी हम जब सोचें तो हमें ध्यान होगा कि गुरुकुल आचार्य चलाते थे, संरक्षण उस समय के राजाओं के द्वारा दिया जाता था। इस नाते कि हमारे छात्र पढ़े, हमारा जन पढ़े, वो विज्ञान में आगे बढ़े, कि भारत की जो ज्ञान परंपरा है, भारत की जो विशिष्टता है, कभी भी अधूरी नहीं रही है। आपकी ये डिग्री भी जो आज आपको मिली है, यह समाज में जाकर के समाज का नेतृत्व करने के लिए पूरी तौर पर सक्षम है।
I, Atul Khosla, a proud member of Shulini University, with a deep sense of responsibility, solemnly take this oath today on the 22nd of March 2025 that I shall always uphold the values of a healthy, drug-free life.
So students, have no doubt in your heart that you are the shining future of this nation. And my and our real vote of thanks is the hope that you will use these degrees to make all of us gathered here proud of you one day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.